Good morning students, I am Sunana from the Maths Infinity. Today we are continuing with our topic sets. In my previous video I have already discussed about what is sets and then type of sets. Today we are discussing about subsets and power set. So let us start. What is subset? What is subset? Is set B. Subset is also a set. Is set B is said to be. Is set B is said to be a subset. Subset of set A if all the elements of set B are in set A. If all the elements of set B are in set A, either we can say that if all the elements of set B are contained in set A. Let us take one example. In our example, we are taking set A having element A, B, C and D. We are taking these elements. Sets B having element. We are taking another set having element B and C. Take one more example. Set C having element A, B and E. We have taken three sets. Set A, set B, set C. Now which set is a subset? Set A having element A, B, C and D. Set A having 4 elements and set B having only 2 elements. Either set B. This is the notation for a subset. This is the notation for a subset. B is a subset of A. When B will be a subset? B एक subset कब होगा? If all the elements of B. If B के सभी element A में है तो B subset है. So let us see the element of B. Element B having element B and C. Small b and small c present in A. So yes, B is a subset of set A. Now we will check C is a subset of set A. क्या C subset है? Let us check the elements of C. Element C having 3 elements A, B and E. A is contained in set A, B is contained in set A, but E element is not present in set A. So our C set is not a subset of set A. So this is the notation for subset, and when we cut this sign, then this one become not a subset. So B is a subset of set A, but C is not a subset of set A. So this is the proper definition of subset. But we can say that what is subset? A subset is an element is a set is said to be subset of set A if every element of that set is contained in set B. Either we can say contained in B, either we can say that all the elements are present in our set A. So this is the proper definition of subset. Now let us take one more example. We are taking another set. Suppose we are taking set A having element A, B and D. We are taking a set. So let us say here A, B. We have seen here that A is a set having element A, B set. We know that a set is always written in form of curly braces. So always remember that a set can have any type of element. So in a set also an element of a set. Set भी एक set का element हो सकता है. So here our elements are A belongs to set A. This B belongs to set A because these are elements, and elements are always belongs to our set. We can here this set. Actually this is a set. But here this is the element of our set. So this belongs to A and D belongs to set A. Understand? सबसेट भी, सेट भी किसी एलिमेंट का एक सेट हो सकता है। सेट भी किसी एलिमेंट, किसी सेट का एक एलिमेंट हो सकता है। यहाँ A बिलोंग्स टू सेट A, B बिलोंग्स टू सेट A एंड दिस सेट AB इज हेयर सेट, यहाँ एक सेट की फॉर्म में, बट इस सेट के लिए ये एक एलिमेंट है। सो एलिमेंट ऑलवेज बिलोंग्स टू सेट, understand? And D also belongs to our set A. Now, how we will write the subsets? How we will write the subsets of set? Let us take examples. Now, we are taking set, a set A having a set this. This is a set having how many elements? This is a null set. We can write like this or like this. Both of these have same meaning. This is 5 means no element, and here in curly braces we have written no elements. That means this set is 5 sets. So how we will write it? Subsets. Subset. Subsets of A. A के subset क्या होंगे? कोई element है ही नहीं. There is no element. So this is itself a subset of sets. So how many elements this have? Only one. So one important point, always remember that first one is 5. 5 empty set. 5 is always a subset of every set. Every set. Second, every set itself is a subset of set. 5 is always, when we will start writing about subsets, write down the subsets. So always remember 5 हमेशा एक subset होगा हमारे set का, and that set itself, वो खुद set जो है वो भी एक subset होगा. That means 2 elements तो होंगे, 2 subsets तो होंगे, 5 और वो set खुद, ये दोनों तो subset में हम write करेंगे ही करेंगे. This is most important point. These 2 points are most important, that 5 is always a subset of set itself, and every set itself is also a subset of itself. So here, from here we are concluding that 2 subset always must be of a set. एक set के 2 subset तो होने चाहिए, but यहाँ क्या है? How many subsets? Only 1. Set A का एक ही subset बन रहा है. Why? Just see. This is an empty set. ये क्या है? हमारे पास एक empty set है, तो empty set we are writing here. This is a subset. और जब itself को जब लिखेंगे तो सेम आ जाएगा, but when 2 elements are repeating, जब 2 नंबर रिपीट हो रहे हो, 2, तो उनको हम 1 ही कंक्लूड करते हैं. सो 5 एक ऐसा सेट, empty set एक ऐसा सेट है जिसका एक ही सबसेट होगा. Why? जब हम 5 राइट करेंगे, 5 either you can take 5 also. अगर कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो हम डायरेक्ट 5 भी लिख सकते हैं. इस सेट का सबसेट एक तो 5 हो गया, दूसरा क्या होगा? द सेट इटसेल्फ. सेट इटसेल्फ भी क्या है? 5. 2 एलिमेंट्स, बट बोथ ऑफ दे हैव सेम. सेट्स में एलिमेंट्स repetition is not considered. If elements are repeating, there is no problem, but when we consider, they are considered as 1. जब हम उनको काउंट करेंगे तो वो एक में ही काउंट होंगे. सो बोथ ऑफ दीज आर 1. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, a set 5 has only 1 element. A set 5 has only 1 element. Now we are taking another set having 1 element. एक और सेट लेते हैं जिसमें कितने एलिमेंट है? 1 एलिमेंट. अभी हमने क्या लिया? ए सेट हैविंग नो एलिमेंट. नाउ वी आर टेकिंग ए सेट हैविंग ओनली 1 एलिमेंट. नाउ सबसेट क्या होंगे? नाउ सबसेट ऑफ सेट बी. एक तो अभी हमने रिजल्ट लिखा है 5 इटसेल्फ. 5 जो है वो क्या होगा? सबसेट ऑफ एवरी सेट, एंड सेट इटसेल्फ और सेट इटसेल्फ. सो और तो कोई नोटेशन बची नहीं, सिंगल एलिमेंट को अलग से राइट करेंगे तो सेम यही एलिमेंट हो जाएगा। सो हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स, हाउ मेनी सबसेट्स ऑफ सेट बी हैविंग वन एलिमेंट, एक सेट जिसमें कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है, हाउ मेनी सबसेट्स, ओनली वन। एक सेट जिसमें एक ही एलिमेंट है, हाउ मेनी सबसेट्स, टू। एक सेट लेते हैं सी हैविंग टू एलिमेंट्स ए एंड बी, व्हेन वी राइट इट्स सबसेट, सबसेट्स ऑफ सी क्या होंगे, फर्स्ट 5 तो सबका, 5 is a subset of every set, so 5 and the set itself, and the set itself also we can write that the element A as a subset, separate write किया हमने, and element B. So how many subsets of set B, how many subsets, 4. How many subsets, 4. So from here we can conclude that what we can write here, we can write here 2 power 0, because anything power 0 is 1. Here we can write 2 power 1. Here we can write 2 power 2. Here we can write 2 power 2 is 4. So from here we can generalize our result that if a set having 3 element, 2 power 3 means 8, उस सेट के कितने सबसेट बनेंगे, 3. If our set having n element, then number of subsets will be 2 power n. So write down here, this is most important result. If a set having, we are generalizing from this result, if a set having n elements, then the number of subsets, is 2 power n. कितने होंगे, 2 power n. This is most important result. Now when we take, ये देखिए यहाँ रिजल्ट से हमने क्या किया था, 2 power 3 means 8 एलिमेंट होने चाहिए. Just take a set having 3 elements A, B, C. रिजल्ट से हम चेक करेंगे, रिजल्ट से हम देखें 2 power 3 means if we are writing 2 power 3, that means 8 एलिमेंट होने चाहिए. और यहां से हम शो करते हैं, देखिए कैसे 8 एलिमेंट्स होंगे इसमें सबसेट में. So when we write subset of A, so first element is 5, यही हमने किया था, 5 is a subset of every set. Next is our set itself. अब हम इनके एलिमेंट्स को सेपरेट करके लिखेंगे, सेट A, then B, and then C. AB, BC, AC. When we combine these, AB, then BC, and then AC. So how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 elements. अगर हम राइट करना चाहे तो हम राइट करके रिजल्ट देख सकते हैं, बट from our generalized result we can also check that how many elements in our set will have. So in this way we have completed our topic of subsets. Now what is power set? What is power set? What is power set? A set containing all the subsets of a set is called power set. A set, what is power set? Power set. A set containing all the subsets of a set A. एक ऐसा set which containing all the subsets of set A is called power set. So in a power set how many elements will have? एक power set में कितने एलिमेंट हो सकते हैं? अभी तो हमने किया है 2 power n. जितने उस एलिमेंट के सबसेट राइट कर सकते हैं उतने ही पावर सेट में एलिमेंट होंगे. व्हाट इज पावर सेट? सेट कंटेनिंग ऑल द सबसेट. सो एक सेट के कितने सबसेट हो सकते हैं? जितने उसके अंदर एलिमेंट होंगे 2 power n. So what is power set? Is set containing all the subsets of set. Then when question कैसे आएगा? How many elements in our power set? How many elements in a power set A? Power set of A. So how many elements? कितने एलिमेंट होंगे? 2 power 2. हमारे पावर सेट में कितने एलिमेंट होंगे? 4. 2 power 2 because our set having 2 elements, so 2 power 2, 2 2 ja 4. So our power set will have 4 elements. So in this way we have completed our topic of subsets and power sets. In our next video we will discuss about Venn diagram. On basis of that, competitive exam questions also we solve. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.